A footpeg broken was again mended by us only.
That old one, the new one, we
Do it by yourself. DIY.
as you all know that we lost our pillion footpeg.
You could have seen that the bike has fell. Yeah, we lost a footpeg. We lost
Pillion footpeg.
pillion left.
Now Pratyay is trying to put it back. Not that old one, the new one, we got it from OSL Motorrad, Kolkata. Let's check out.
So it's again the original toolkits that comes with the stock bike has come to the escape. Anybody of you can do if we can do. Try not to go to mechanic for each and every small cause. Do it by yourself. DIY.